Today we are going to talk about a Microsoft tool called Validate-DCB. My name is Jan Mortensen. As always, please be sure to test all scripts and stuff like that in a lab. We are using a 6-node cluster today. Currently it's running 2016. The October updates are just applied to the system. And we just jump into PowerShell and type install module Validate-DCB and we are ready to go. The machines here, they have internet connectivity, so it's easy to download everything directly from Microsoft in this case here. So after a couple of seconds we will then be able to just type Validate-DCB and then it will start. Then again you will now see that one more time it's checking and it will download if you're missing something here. And after a couple of seconds we will have a graphical wizard that will ask about the configuration of your host. So you need to know how the machine was set up before using this tool. So the first thing I will be asked to add is the cluster name. So once again I will put in S2D01 here. It will resolve all my physical host. I add my vSwitch name, vSwitch1. I deselect SIOV. I'm not using that in this environment here. I select dynamic. And now I add my physical nickname. So I always rename to nick1 and for the vnic SMB01 and 02. I'm using VLAN 201 and 202 in this example here. We are using a Mellanox adapter, so we are running RDMA or converged Ethernet. And for the priority I have changed, so I call them cluster SMB, but otherwise I'm using the default, it's showing up here. And at the end you have to save your configuration so you can use it later on if you have to run it one more time. At the second you are done with typing the configuration name here, then it will start. So at the second you press export, you will see it now starts to run. And if you're following the naming, you can see it will go through each of my physical host and run exact the same validation. So what is the tool really doing? You can say it's like doing a compare of your different hosts. Are they configured exact in the same way from host to host? Did you miss something? We will find it. Again, here you can see most of it or all of it should be green. And the test itself, we are testing from the physical NIC, the virtual NIC, your vSwitch settings, using the set switch here. And of course, it's about the configuration of the different parameters. So it's about how the DCB or the data center bridging is using priority flow control and the ETS, more specific the enhanced transmission service. Are all this configured exact the same on each host? If all the lines are green, as you see here, you know that you did it correctly. And that is, of course, the whole idea of this. It's an easy way to quickly validate your whole system. So again, you can use this to check and check and check again and again until everything is green. I will create more videos that will go into deep and explain exact how you can use this to find problems. But here it was just to show you how easy it was to install. 0 mistakes in this case here. So if you like what you saw, please subscribe. There will be more videos going into deep about how to use the tool. Thank you.